everybody, and welcome to Parks Bros. It's Drew here, and today I'm riding with my buddy Carter from Jinx Everywhere.
Hello, hello!
On Emperor. Oh my gosh, we're finally riding this highly anticipated dive coaster, the tallest and fastest and longest dive coaster in all of California. And
we're heading up the lift!
Yeah!
We're doing it!
But it's also floorless. You ready for this thing?
I'm so ready. We've been waiting for over 2 years to ride Emperor.
We're already at the top. Beautiful views.
Beautiful
of downtown San Diego, as well as the rest of Mission Bay up here. This is
it's gorgeous up here. It's
oh my
absolutely
goodness.
Wow. And then you see the whole ocean off to the side.
153 feet up.
Okay.
But now we're gonna dive down.
Here we go.
Oh wow. This view is beautiful,
awesome.
but
yeah!
Oh, and upside down in the first inversion.
Whoa! Positive. Oh yeah, that's fun.
Woo! Upside down again.
Yeah!
Into the brake run.
Oh, that's a lot of fun.
That is so much fun. Make sure you come down to SeaWorld San Diego.
You have to ride Emperor.
Oh my gosh. Emperor opens March 12th. Make sure you're here. I know I will. But until then, we'll see you on the next ride.
Yeet!